Oh my goodness, look at this sleepy construction crew. They look like they've been playing in a dust storm. First up, Mr. Dump Truck. It's bath time for you. Splish splash. Wow, look at that transformation. All right, clean and ready for work. We've got a delivery to make. Let's load her up with sand. Vroom, vroom, careful around the bend. Vroom, vroom, off we go down the road. Time to tip it out. Great job, dump truck. Who's next for a dip? It's the mighty Excavator. Swish, swish, swish. Look at that. You're not dirty anymore. You're a super sunny yellow. Time to get digging. Scoop, scoop, scoop. Let's make a big pile. Now let's load it up. What a powerful digger! Now it's the tanker truck's turn. Let's wash all that grime away. From dusty green to even shinier green. Looking good. Oh, the pretty flowers look so thirsty. Here comes the tanker to the rescue. Shh! A nice cool drink for the garden. The flowers are so happy. Wee-oo, wee-oo! It's the fire truck. Splash! Wow, now that's what I call fire engine red. All clean and ready to save the day. Oh no, there's a fire! Quick, fire truck, to the house! Ladder up, 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 and whoosh! Phew, you put the fire out. Hooray! Last but not least, Mr. Bulldozer. He's been working hard. Into the water you go. Look at him shine. There's something blocking the road. Time for the bulldozer to clear the way. Push, push, push. All clear. Great work. Look at the whole team, all clean and ready for a new adventure. Let's go, team. Vroom, vroom, off they go. Bye-bye, cars.
What do you see? It's a fire truck. Fire truck, yay! What do you see? It's a dump truck. Dump truck, yay! What do you see? It's an excavator. Excavator, yay! What do you see? It's a bulldozer. Bulldozer, yay! What do you see? It's a water truck. Water truck, yay!
Heave ho, puff, puff, I'm climbing. Heave ho, help me find my true self. Oh, oh, oh! Yay! I'm the ambulance! Woohoo! Heave ho, puff, puff, rolling up. I'm almost there. Keep going. Woo! Hooray! I'm the dump truck. Yay! Heave ho, puff, puff, climbing higher, step by step. I won't stop until I shine. Woo! Yippee! I'm the fire truck! Woohoo! Heave ho, puff, puff, rolling round and round. Almost at the top, I can do it! Whoa! Yay! I'm the mixer truck! Hooray! Heave ho, puff, puff, heavy load. Whoa! Woohoo! Woohoo! I'm the garbage truck! Yay! Heave ho, puff, puff, bounce, bounce, here we go! Heave ho. Whoa! Yay! I'm the school bus! Hooray! Heave ho, push, push. Almost there! Keep on pushing! Woo! Yippee! I'm the bulldozer! Woohoo!
Oh! Ho-ho! Dump truck! Run, run, dump truck, splash! Oh no! Mixer truck, roll, roll, mixer, splash! Woohoo! Let's go! Excavator, dig, dig, excavator, splash! Oh wow! Oh no! Crane truck, lift, lift, crane truck, splash! Yay, yay! Let's go! Splashy, splashy, hooray! Splashy, splashy, yay, yay! One by one they go, splash! Oh wow, oh no! Woo! Splashy, splashy, hooray! Splashy, splashy, yay, yay! One by one they go, splash! Oh wow, oh no! Woo! Woohoo!
Yeah! Yeehaw! Whoops! Wow, look at me go! Oh no, kerplunk! Yippee! Ay, ay, ay! My turn! Squish! Squash! Squish! Squash! Oh dear! All the friends are stuck in the big muddy puddle. Don't worry, I'm here to help. Let's get you all out of there. Up we go! Look at that! Now let's get you all cleaned up. Time for a swim! Yeehaw! Splash! Woohoo! Kersplash! Wow! Big splash! Yeah! Whee! Was that fun? The big tow truck is here to pull you all out. Heave ho! Be careful! Careful! Whoopsie! Yeehaw! Uh-oh! Splash! Let's do this! And plop! Me too! Whoops! Yeehaw! Uh-oh! Look! A giant car carrier is here to save the day! Everybody on board! Let's get you all loaded up safely. Oh, you're all muddy again. Time for a nice shower. Scrub-a-dub-dub. Let's get you all clean and shiny. Wow, look at you now. Good as new.
What a fun day! See you next time, friends! Yay! A big muddy puddle. This is so much fun! Huh? Oh no! My wheels are stuck! Push! Push! But I can't move at all! Somebody, help me, please!
Don't worry, Blue Truck. We'll help you out. Leave it to us, the brave Tractor Brothers. A little mud is no problem for us.
Wow! Thank you so much! You're amazing!
Come on, let's pull together. Heave ho! Heave ho!
We did it! Thanks, my tractor friends! Out of the way! Here comes the king of the gravel road, the mighty cement mixer. Whoa! A giant rock! Boom! Ouch! My head! Oh no! I'm stuck between the rocks. What should I do?
Time to roll out again. Woohoo! A friend in trouble is a friend we must help. 1, 2, 3, pull!
Yay! I'm free! You really are the best rescue team ever! Time to pick up the kids. Beep, beep. What a fun school day! Oh my! A giant tree has fallen across the road. I can't get through like this.
Don't worry, Mr. School Bus. We'll help you out. Just wait a moment. We'll lift this heavy tree and move it aside. Heave ho!
Thank you, brave tractor friends.
Yay! Now let's all drive together. I'm going to be first. It feels like flying in the sky. It's a race. Let's go! Woohoo!
Oh no, help me, I can't play. Okay, tractor saves the day. Oh no, help me, what can I do? Okay, tractor rescues you. School bus, oh no, help me, I'm stuck right here. Okay, tractor pulls with cheers.
Wow! A big yellow dump truck! Vroom, vroom! Let's go over the bridge! Yay! Look at this cool truck! It's so shiny and yellow. The back goes up and down. Time for an adventure. Ready, set, go! Here come the colorful balls. Red, green, blue, yellow. Whoa! So many colors. Fill it up, fill it up. The truck is full. Let's dump them all out. 1, 2, 3. Whee! The balls are everywhere. That was fun. Now let's go outside to play. What can we find? Oh, some grass and rocks. Let's put them in the truck. Heave ho! The truck is getting dirty. Okay, time to dump the dirt. Here it goes. Plop! A big pile of dirt. Good job, truck. Oh no, the truck is so muddy. Time for a bath. Splish, splash, look at all the bubbles. Scrub, scrub, scrub with the sponge. Let's wash all the dirt away. Rinse it with water. Shh. All clean. The truck is shiny and new again. What a busy day. Now it's time to rest. Good night, little truck.
In my dreams we play all night. Shiny dump truck, my friend so bright. Vroom, vroom, together we go. My dump truck friend, I love you so.
Look at all these cool construction cars inside the box. Who will come out to play first? Oh, it's the yellow Excavator. Let's see what it can do.
Here I go. My name is Excavator. And I love to dig. My job is the best.
I get to move my long arm and scoop up the sand. Up, up, up we go. Let's make a big pile right here. Digging is so much fun.
Now who's next out of the box? Wow, it's the strong orange crane truck.
Time to lift. I'm the strongest truck here. Lift these blocks. See? Easy peasy. Now let's drive up this big winding hill. Whee! Oh, it looks like my little friend needs some help. Don't worry.
Look who's joining the fun. It's the speedy red dump truck, all ready to haul some heavy loads.
Vroom, vroom, time to carry things. First, I'll carry all these colorful balls. This is fun. Whoa, a bump in the road. Oh no, they're all rolling away. That was a surprise. Okay, let's try again with these blocks. Hey, Excavator, can you fill me up with some sand? Thanks, buddy. I'm off to my next stop. Bye-bye.
And here comes the green machine. Can you guess what it is? It's the amazing cement mixer.
Spin, spin, spin! My mixer is always turning. Let's drive towards that rainbow tunnel. And now for the magic! Look! I'm pouring a beautiful rainbow road. Red, yellow, green, and blue. Isn't it pretty? Now I'll take a drive through the amazing Sandcastle City. Hello, everyone!
There's one more friend in the box. It's the purple road roller.
My turn to roll. This road is a little bumpy, but I can fix it. Let's make it nice and flat. Squish, squash, smooth. Perfect. Now through the tunnel I go. Let's bring some friends to help. We are the roller team. Rolling, rolling, rolling past all the funny sand statues.
Look at them all working together as a team. Everyone is busy and having fun. What a fantastic construction crew.
Dig, 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 the excavator. Dump, 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 the red dump truck. Mix, 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 the green mixer. Lift, lift, lift the orange crane. Ow!
Roll, 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 the purple roller. Work, 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 together as a team. Big trucks, strong trucks, here we go. Building, building, building all day long.
Wow! Look at all the cool construction truck friends! A dump truck, a cement mixer, and a bulldozer! Ready for a fun adventure by the river! Here comes the dump truck with a full load of dirt! Yay! Vroom vroom! Uh-oh! Be careful! Whoa! Splash! He took a cool dive right into the water! Driving on the narrow bridge! Oops! He fell in too! Look! He's making fun splashes in the water! It's the green cement mixer's turn! Yay! Go, go, go! Woohoo! Let's go to the end of the road! Sploosh! I guess the cement mixer wanted to go for a swim! Huh? He just pushed him in! What a silly trickster! Now the bulldozer is driving on the train track! Woohoo! Choo-choo! Yay! He's so fast! Plop! He made a cool jump into the sea! A bigger bulldozer appeared! Vroom, vroom! Woohoo! Splash! It's a water party for everyone today! The trucks are back again! Woohoo! Yay! Whoopsie! They all fell in together! What a funny splashy mess! But wait! Who is coming from far away? It's the big, strong blue tow truck! Wow! The tow truck uses his powerful crane to lift the dump truck. Woohoo! Heave-ho! Up, up, up you go! You're safe now!
Next, it's time to rescue the cement mixer. Yay! Pull! And the last one. He hooks the bulldozer and lifts him right out of the water. Everyone is rescued and safe. Yay! The dump truck, the cement mixer, the bulldozer, and our awesome hero, the tow truck. What a super fun adventure! See you next time, friends!
Red dump truck goes splash, splash, splash in the water with a happy dash. Yellow bulldozer goes plop, plop, plop. He can't wait, he just won't stop. Green cement mixer goes swoosh, swoosh, swoosh to the river with a bubbly whoosh. Splash together, trucks hooray. Fun and games in the water today.